Hey friends, welcome to Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are having a wonderful weekend. Our today project is about Easter DIY, and this project is so easy and quicker to do. Especially, it's more fun if you are doing with the kids. And before heading down to the projects, if you really like my YouTube channel, please subscribes to my YouTube channel for more DIY project. If you like those videos, I really appreciate your feedback. You can comments below and give me more suggestions and ideas if you have. So let's head over to the project. All right, so for this project, which we had needed, I'm using here small size white t-shirt. You can pick any size, and a light color for that project. I like to have a white, and then I can use a different colors on that. Then we need a ruler for making our graft. I have a blue tape here because it's easy to removable, and then I have couple baking sheets. Whatever you have at home, you can use it. And then we're gonna use a bunch of old coloring crayons. If you have a kids, you can take those from their craft box, and all you just have to smash them in a small pieces. It's a hard part, but you can do it. And then we need iron for ironing that stuff. I guess Caesar and pencil. I guess that's it. So let's head over to the project. So it's just a pretty simple. You just have to. Keep patient because that's just a graph that gonna take a little time to make, but the rest is easy to do. All right, and now the next part which we're gonna do, we're gonna create the box on the side of this cross like this. All right, like here and here and here, and then we're gonna put more tapes on the sides. All right, as you can see, zooming, I had to make an outline on the side of my cross. And now the next thing I'm gonna cover, I'm gonna cover these outlines with my blue tape as well. So in that way, we just will have inside this empty spot, and that's how we're gonna start doing our project in the center of this spot. as you can see all, so we have prepared our outline today. Now the next part is I'm gonna tuck something inside of my first layer of fabric because I don't want the color get on the bottom, on the back side. And then we will see what we're gonna do next.
Alright, as you can see, I have put a cardboard box inside of my t-shirt, but you can use any flat cardboard. I didn't find anything, so I'm using this cardboard. Whatever you have, you can use it. You're just protecting the back side. So now it's time to fill in this box from inside. So just take a bunch. It's going to create a really beautiful look. You can do only one color, you can do two colors, multicolors, whatever way you like to create your own Easter t-shirt. I got this idea, I accidentally dropped some color on my ivory bird, which is now it's like a permanent color, so I thought, why not trying on a real fabric? And believe me, this is just an experiment, so I'm also excited to see how it's turned out. I didn't do this project before, and I hope this color not goes outside of my cross after, or outside of tape after melting this, so we will see. Because I know when you're living in non-Christian countries, it's so hard to get t-shirt with a cross, so I guess that's a great way to create custom design t-shirts. And not doing a cross, you can cut any wording, you know, with a double layer. Just put color around it right here. Alright, I guess I have enough. Careful, brush out any extra if you have on your fabric already, because you just one color on cross area, not in the whole shirt. Alright, so just make sure you are all set up, and then first over here, let me put some. So let's remove. Alright, so now we are ready to melt down those all bright colors.
Alright, crossing my fingers to turn out pretty. So let's see. Let's see how it's turning out. Gently, I'm gonna remove this because the prints are still hot and because we melted them with the iron. Just careful, we don't want any color on our white t-shirt. Here you go. Not bad. And use paper towel carefully because we want black color. Overall, I'm liking the look of those colors because it's getting really like alright, what do you guys think? Should I open it from center or let me peel it? I guess color that you can get down, but let me see how much. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you really like our today DIY project, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. Have a blessed season. God bless you all. Bye.